Hi everybody, happy Freedom Friday. I'm Lynette Barnors and today we are diving into something that is truly, it hits home for every South African, the South African wealth gap and how ordinary people can break free in 2025. Now, you've probably heard the term wealth gap before, right? But what does it actually mean for you and for me? For everyday South Africans trying to build a decent life. But let's be honest, we see it every day. Prices are up, salaries are stuck, jobs are disappearing, and even when people do everything right, they study, they work hard, and they follow the rules. Somehow, they're still not getting ahead. It's not just a money problem, it's a freedom problem. Because real freedom isn't just about political rights, it's about financial choice. It's about being able to say no when something doesn't align with your values. Because financial freedom shouldn't be reserved for the wealthy or the lucky. It should be accessible to ordinary people like you and me. Hi, I'm Lynette Barnors from Van der Bijl Park, South Africa. For over 9.5 years, I'm helping entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals build recurring income online without selling a thing. I show people how to create a reliable income using a hybrid financial platform so they can live debt-free, stress-free on their own terms. Type freedom in the comments and you will receive my freebie, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. And a special welcome to my guests today, Belinda and all the usual ones. Very welcome, Cheryl and Peter and everybody else. If you're catching the replay later, a warm welcome to you too. I trust that you will enjoy the time with me and get some insightful tips and information that can help you make better decisions. Now, today's topic is one that hits home for every South African. It's called the South African Wealth Gap, how ordinary people can break free in 2025. But the wealth gap, what does it really mean for you? Because if you've been feeling like no matter how hard you work, you're not getting ahead, you're not imagining it, it's real. So today we're going to unpack why the wealth gap keeps growing, why most people in South Africa is holding back by it, and most importantly, how you can start breaking free right now in 2025. Let's talk facts. In South Africa, the top 10% of people own 85% of the wealth. And the bottom 50%, half our population, own less than 5%. That is the stats. That's not a gap, that's a canyon. And every year, that canyon gets deeper. In 2025, we are facing record unemployment, rising interest rates, and an economy that just isn't creating enough opportunity. The middle class, the people who used to have stability, are sliding down. And those who were already struggling, they are fighting just to stay afloat. And here's the thing, it's not your fault. The system was not built for ordinary people to win. It was built to keep wealth circulating among the already wealthy. But let's look at why the old system that we were used to is no longer working. Our parents were told, go to school, get a job, work hard, retire comfortably. That formula has worked in the previous millennium. It worked for my father and my father-in-law, but it's not working anymore. And we have first-hand experience, as both me and my husband were retrenched at the ages of 45 and 50. And in 28 years, we could never find jobs again. Today, we are living in an economy where jobs are vanishing. Technology is replacing workers, and salaries haven't kept up with inflation for years. If you are relying on one income from one employer, you are standing on thin ice. And it's not because people aren't working hard enough. South Africans are some of the hardest working people in the world. The problem is not effort. The problem is the model. We were taught to trade time for money. But the wealthy, they build systems that make money while they sleep. And that is where the real gap lies. Not in intelligence, not in luck, but in access to systems. But now you will ask me, how can ordinary people break free of it? Breaking free, first of all, starts with a mindset shift. Wealth isn't just about how much money you have. It's about what is working for you when you are not working. That is the big question. What is working for you when you are not working? We are living in a digital and connection-based economy now. Opportunities are not limited by degrees or location anymore. They are limited by connection. And that's where DealPoint comes in. We are not talking about selling products or chasing people. We are talking about a system, one that rewards you for connecting others to the same system. It's about participation, not pressure. Ownership, not employment. Freedom, not fear. Here's what's exciting. 2025 is the perfect time to make the change. And there are still 3 months left in 2025 to make that change and start 2026 on the right foot. People are searching for stability. They are looking for ways to take back control. And while the old economy is slowing down, the connection economy, the one that rewards community and collaboration, is booming. Imagine this. You spend just a few hours a day building your own income engine. An engine that pays you even when you are asleep, at work, or on holiday. That is financial leverage. Robert Kiyosaki said it the best. The rich build networks and everyone else looks for work. Let me repeat it. The rich build networks. Everyone else looks for work. And that's what we are building here. Networks that create wealth, not jobs. And DealPoint is doing this for almost 10 years now. But let's look at practical steps to start breaking free. And so, how do you actually start? Let's keep it simple, because success doesn't come from complicated plans. It comes from consistent action. First step is to change your mindset. Before you ever earn a cent, you've got to transform how you think. How you think is so important. Start thinking like a builder, not just a consumer. Consumers spend. Builders create. Consumers wait for opportunities. Builders build them. That mental shift alone will separate you from 90% of people who are just getting by. If start to see yourself as a wealth builder, your actions will begin to match that belief. Step 2, find a proven system. Because let's be honest, passion alone won't pay your bills. You need a system that actually rewards your activity, not your position. And that's where DewPoint shines. At DewPoint, you are not relying on luck or hoping someone gives you a break. You plug into a system designed to reward your effort, a system that can produce recurring income without selling a thing. Step 3, be consistent. That's one is huge. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Wealth is built daily, not instantly. It's not about working 10 hours one day and giving up the next. It's about showing up a little every day, until that little becomes a lot. Think of it like fitness. You don't get abs from your first gym session. You get results from small, repeated actions that compounds over time. Step 4, connect with community. You are not meant to do this alone. Isolation kills momentum. That's why you need to surround yourself with people who uplifts you, people who are chasing freedom just like you. At DewPoint, we call our wealth engineers a community, a group of dreamers, doers, and difference makers who understand that together we grow faster and stronger. Step 5, learn and apply. Information without action is just noise. Every time you learn a new skill, whether it is how to invite someone, share your story, or use the app, you are planting seeds that will grow your future income. So don't just learn, apply, because applied learning turns potential into profit. And that's it. You don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need a degree. You don't need luck. You just need the willingness to start now. You just need to start and stay in motion. Every wealthy person you admire once started small. Every wealth engineer started with zero. We didn't start at the top, we started with zero. The difference is we have started. Let me repeat that again. We have started. And that right there is the biggest hurdle for most people today. It's not that they don't have dreams. It's not that they don't want more. It's that they are afraid to begin, afraid to fail, afraid of what will people say, afraid of maybe it won't work for them. But let me tell you, maybe it will work for you. But let me tell you something powerful. Every person who's ever achieved financial freedom started exactly where you are right now, with uncertainty, with fear, and with no guarantees. I was there myself. I was really scared when I started. Will this really work? Am I on the right track? Will I not hurt people? Because I will never be able to live with myself if I did something that financially hurt people. But the difference is, they took that first step anyway. And that is my difference. Even if I was scared, I did take that first step. And that's what separates those who wish for change from those who create it. People are scared to take control of their own financial futures, but that is exactly what we need to do to survive the dying economy. Look around you. Prices are going up. Job security is going down. And the opportunity feels scarce. But that's why this message matters. Because if you wait for the government or the economy or our boss to fix it, we will be waiting forever. We can't wait for things to get better. We have to make them better ourselves by taking action, by learning, by connecting, by building. That's how ordinary people become extraordinary. That's how you bridge that wealth gap. And that's how you create the life you were meant to live. Remember this. You don't have to be perfect to start. Tanya Eliza always said, done is better than perfect. Even if what you're doing is not perfect, the fact that you are doing it is 100%. You are doing something. Most are not. You just have to start to become powerful. But before we wrap up, I want to remind you, if you are finding value in these Freedom Friday sessions, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery channel on YouTube. That's where I share weekly insights, tools, and real strategies to help you escape the 9-to-5 trap and build recurring income that gives you freedom. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you never miss a session. That way, even if life gets busy, you always have access to practical, step-by-step guidance on your journey to financial independence. But next, let's talk about lucky number 7, the super incentive that DuPont is currently running. How about getting 7,000 Rand cash this week? Up till the 4th of January, DuPont, the FSP number is 50318, is running a 7,000 Rand weekly cash draw from September 2025 to January 2026. A lot of people have won 7,000 Rand over the past 8 weeks. Nice, huh? And it could be you next week. By having your own product paid and registering others who also pay, you could earn multiple entries into each week's draw. And the best part, while building entries, you are also building a reliable monthly income stream with free training and support. WhatsApp Lucky 7 to 082 783 5661 so that I can send you full details. And please like, share and love and follow me on Facebook, and remember to visit my blog on lynettebaardnorth.com/blogs. I spell my name LINETTEBAADNHORST.com/blogs for more of the same topics. Remember to type freedom in the chat and you will receive my freebie, free of charge, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. The freebie name says it all. Now, the South African wealth gap might be wide, but it's not unbreakable. Ordinary people are rewriting their financial futures right now. Just go and look at DuPont's webpage and their Facebook pages, and you will see it for yourself. They stopped waiting for rescue. They took ownership. They partnered with systems that reward effort, and they made the choice. In 2025, freedom isn't a dream, it's a decision. So I challenge you today, stop surviving, start building, be part of the generation that closes the wealth gap, not by complaining about it, but by creating change from within it. Thank you for spending this Freedom Friday with me. If you are ready to explore how DuPont can help you start building your own wealth engine, reach out to me. My number is 082 783 5661. I'll help you take the first step. Until next time, stay hopeful, stay consistent, and keep chasing freedom. Bye for now.